Hey, the Scratch class is open! I am Jesus Skratch and this is Kodh, DJ and producer, and we are going to show you how to do the forward and backward scratch. Some fundamental techniques, guys, so get ready for a lot of fun and excitement. Now, let's start! So, the backwards, forward scratch, forward, backward scratch. Important pointers with these techniques, guys. We use the crossfader or the fader to do them. So, check the video in the description that explains it in more details. And basically, we open the fader to hear the sound and close it to not hear the sound. See? And this way, it creates a silence between each sound we want to make. So, let's go back to the forward scratch. We just want to hear the forward of a baby scratch. We just want to hear the forward, so we need to cut the sound. We need to close the fader when we go backwards. This way. So, we open, we go forward, and we close, and we go backwards. We go to open again, and we want to hear the forward, so forward, and then we close, and we go back again. See? And for the backwards, we do the opposite. We just want to hear the backward. So we close the sound when we go forward, and we open when we go backward. Okay, so Kodh, let's do this with a beat. We're going to find our count, as usual. You go at the beginning of the sound with the mark. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the forward and the backward scratch, the fundamental techniques for you guys. We hope you liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Hit the notification bells to get notified of new great video content. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comment. See you guys on a new video. Bye!